Hi, good morning. It's Monday morning, the what, July 24th. I'm off today 'cause I have a friend's funeral to go to later. It's kind of weird because you grow up with people and you're kids with people and you play with these people as kids and you share things as kids and the next thing you know you're grown up and you're having kids of your own and next thing you know that one of them passes away. Anyway, that's not why I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging because I haven't in a while and I felt like it. And I can, it's my channel. I can do whatever I want. And I have 30 subscribers. Yay. Thank you guys. 30. Yay. That's awesome. I never thought I would get past 5. Um, Sky, what are you eating? Hey, stop eating trash. Come here. Anyway, I wanted to show you something really cool that I have in my bedroom. I was born in 1970, and that's 47 years that I've lived. And in those 47 years, I've liked several different things. When I was a little girl, my great grandma Twyla got me into cardinals, and when I was a teenager, I had my own pet finches. I named them Merry and Pippin. Yes, I liked Lord of the Rings before the movie came out. It is possible. And yes, I'm a dork. Anyway, I wanted to show you my bird clock. It's pretty cool. There's a cardinal at 9 o'clock. It's my favorite. Yay. So, I bought this, like, you just get it at Walmart. It's battery powered bird clock. I got it at Walmart when I was working there. They had, it on clearance somewhere, and I got it, like, the Christmas of 2015. I wanted to show you. It's pretty cool because it has, I mean, I don't know. I kind of like nature aficionado person. I played hunting games before just so I can go and pretend that I was out in the wilderness camping and running around chasing animals. I didn't like shooting Bambi and Bambi's family, but anyway, I wanted to show you guys the sounds of each and every bird. So if you'll let me. Can you hear that? I'm gonna see if I can get it in sync because those sounds do not go with the pictures. That's the mourning dove right there. The mourning dove. Now that I have it in sync, I'll be able to tell you what bird is what. Okay, dude? You ready? Bear with me. This is not digital. The next one is just. I'm an old person, okay? I can't read. Black capped chickadee. Chickadee dee 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 dee. You can tell it's a chickadee because it says chickadee in its name. Anybody who watches Barney or whatever kid shows do the. Wasn't that Sesame Street? I can't remember. I don't know. Anyway, next one's my favorite cardinal. I've never seen a cardinal actually. I want to see one. I liked finches because they're part of the cardinal family. They have the same seed shape, seed eating beak or whatever. I don't know things. Can you hear that? I got a fan going on over there. Probably not a good idea. Just a second. Yes, I gave away my secret. I was sitting on this toilet. Okay, that was a cardinal. Hopefully you can hear. God, I hope you can hear it. The next one is white-throated sparrow. You've heard that one before. Can you even hear this? I hope you can. The next one is white-breasted nuthatch. I'm gonna add some nuts. And people are like, why are you doing this? Because tons of people buy these clocks and tons of people know what birds sound like. Why not? Free fucking country. Okay. House finch. Apparently I'm inept. I cannot make the thing. I don't know where the mic is. I think it's down here somewhere. Once again, I will say I don't know things. The next one is American robin. You hear that one a lot around here, especially. Nope, can't have that. Alright. Shouldn't leave things lying around on the ground. Northern mockingbird. To kill a mockingbird. No, I never read that. Who loves birds? Say me. Okay, the next one's a blue jay. I remember I was a kid, I don't know, I was like 11, 12 years old, maybe younger. I was sitting in my backyard, and it was one of those moments in your life where you think, oh, I bet you if I sit here long enough and I hold still, nature will come and see me. And I was right. There was a beautiful blue jay that came out, and I never seen one up close before. It has so many different colors, blue feathers. I was amazed at how beautiful it was. There's a blue jay right there. Okay, the next one is house wren. This one's the tufted titmouse. No jokes. I'll tell you what, I'm a ton happier since I'm not making sandwiches for a living. I mean, for people who like to do that for a living, God bless them and stuff, but just my situation, I wasn't happy because some of the people I worked with weren't very nice to me, and it just wasn't my forte. I mean, I'm really enjoying being a cashier, and it's probably has a lot to do with the fact I just like being nice to people and helping people. And I'm not trying to say, oh, I'm such a great person or anything. I'm just trying to get through life like everyone else. And I have to work like everyone else. And I might as well do something I enjoy. You know, it's not like my dream job, like being an artist, doing art, creating things, but it's something that I can do, and it's pretty easy, and I'm relaxed and happy when I do it, and I like talking to people, even if some people are rude and mean and smelly and gross and, you know. Anyway, I'll shut up. Next bird, Baltimore Oriole. Which brings me back to the morning dove, which means that it's already after 7 today. It's probably like 7:20 by now. There we go. I almost turned to. I'm like, oh, and by the way, I have this. I'm not going to show you what I have in that. Anyway, that's my bird clock, and that's a little bit of my life for today, July 24th. July 24th, 2017. I hope everyone's having a good day, and I'll talk to you later. And hopefully, it wasn't too much of a waste of time because I'm such a goof. Anyway, that's what the young people at work call me, a goof. Have a good day. Bye. Mwah. I can't find my mouse.